Welcome to this video on the Program Change Management Office. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the purpose and role of a Program Change Management Office, or PCMO, and evaluate the risks and challenges associated with PCMOs. Imagine your organization as a puzzle coming together. The PCMO is the guiding hand that carefully places each piece, making sure every change fits perfectly to complete the picture. Some organizations create a PCMO to help program managers smoothly integrate change management activities with their regular program activities. You can imagine it as a team that makes sure changes happen without any problems. PCMO is responsible for overseeing and coordinating change management activities across programs and projects within a firm. Its primary goal is to ensure changes are effectively managed, communicated, and implemented to achieve the desired outcomes and benefits of the program. Having explored what PCMO does, let's now delve into how it makes an impact. Imagine your organization is about to implement multiple changes, such as launching a new software, opening new stores, or unveiling an innovative product. To make sure this journey is smooth and successful from start to finish, the PCMO is like your trusted guide, plotting the course and ensuring every step aligns perfectly with the destination. Firstly, the PCMO sets up policies, procedures, and standardized program governance plans to manage changes effectively across the organization. Additionally, it clearly outlines roles and responsibilities, ensuring everyone knows their part in supporting the PCMO. Moreover, the office supplies the necessary tools, resources, and expertise to facilitate change management activities. By keeping an eye on the progress and performance of change initiatives, the PCMO also ensures a smooth and efficient transition. Equally important, it plays a vital role in communicating changes effectively to all stakeholders, ensuring everyone is informed and aligned. In addition, the PCMO also offers training to program teams and stakeholders on change management practices, empowering them to actively participate in the change process. Next, let's understand the key players facilitating these tasks. The PCMO includes multiple stakeholders. The change management lead or manager oversees and coordinates the PCMO's overall function. Change management specialists are the experts who develop and implement change management strategies and plans. Communications specialists are responsible for managing communication related to changes. Training coordinators handle training and development activities related to change management. Program or project managers collaborate with the PCMO to integrate change management into their programs and projects. Stakeholder representatives are the key stakeholders from various departments who provide insights and feedback on change initiatives. PCMO aids program managers by creating detailed and customized plans for each program, ensuring every step aligns with the strategy. It also provides ready-to-use tools that streamline processes, saving valuable time. By assessing how changes will impact the organization, PCMO helps managers anticipate potential issues and opportunities. Additionally, PCMO manages resistance to changes, assisting managers in addressing concerns and fostering acceptance. It promotes uniform practices across the organization, helping managers maintain consistent and effective change management. By tracking the progress of change initiatives, PCMO helps managers make timely adjustments and secure success. Imagine a large company undergoing a significant transformation, such as a merger, new technology implementation, and an expansion into new markets, all happening simultaneously. To manage these changes, the company establishes a PCMO. While PCMO offers substantial benefits, program managers must be aware of potential risks and challenges. Setting up and maintaining the PCMO requires dedicated resources, potentially stretching the company's capacity. So, the organization should plan accordingly. Some stakeholders may view the PCMO as an additional layer of bureaucracy, so it's crucial to communicate its value effectively. To avoid any alignment issues, the PCMO should align its efforts with the unique goals of each program, balancing standardization with customization. The organization might also face change fatigue, where the cumulative effect of multiple changes impacts morale, productivity, and resistance levels. So, organizations should manage and mitigate through various employee involvement strategies. Clear communication is vital to avoid misunderstandings and delays between the PCMO and program teams. Effective communication plans should be integrated into each program strategy. Furthermore, evaluating the PCMO's impact on success can be challenging. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as employee change adoption rates, stakeholder satisfaction, and achievement of desired outcomes, should be developed and measured periodically. Lastly, PCMO must be flexible to cater to the unique needs of each program, which can be complex and time-consuming. Regular reviews and updates of PCMO processes are essential to keep pace with organizational changes. In this video, you learned that PCMO is created to assist program managers integrate change management activities with their regular program activities. The role of PCMOs include governance, coordination, support, monitoring and control, communication, and training and development. The PCMO team can include a change management lead or manager, change management specialist, training coordinators, program or project managers, and stakeholder representatives. A PCMO assists program managers by creating detailed plans for each program, offering tools, checking how changes will affect the organization, addressing concerns, promoting uniform practices, and keeping track of initiatives. The challenges of establishing a PCMO include risks such as resource allocation, resistance to the PCMO alignment issues, change fatigue, communication gaps, measurement of effectiveness, and adaptability.